English vowels. The English pure vowel phonemes are 12, and these are the first three. Number one, remember we can give them numbers as well. Number one is, pardon. Remember that we can give them numbers. So, look at numbers 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 is E as in seat. We've just done it before. Seat. Number 2 is sit. And number 3 is set. These are different words in English, and we identify them when we hear them. Let's have them again. Seat, sit, set. From bottom to top. Set, sit, seat. They mean different things. Now, let's have a look at the next two. We call them vowels 4 and 5, and we have them there. Look at the symbols. The symbol for vowel number 4 is that funny-looking type of A. It sounds like this. Sat. Sat. This is the past tense of the verb to sit. I sat. Me senté. I sat. The other sound, number 5, the next phoneme is A, as in cart. Carretón, carretela. Cart. So let's have them again. A, as in the words sat and cart. Next in the list are vowels 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Look at the symbols for 6 and 7. Vowel number 6 is cot. A cot is a little bed, and caught is the past tense of the verb to catch. So here we are again with two different meanings. One is caught, number 6, and number 7 is caught. The caught, yes. Caught, that is the past tense of catch. The following two vowels are similar to the Spanish, The following two vowel sounds are very similar to the Spanish ear. They are vowels 8 and 9, and here they are. Those are the symbols. What do they sound like? Vowel number 8 is O, as in foot. My foot, mi pie. And vowel number 9 is boot, bota. So you say my foot and my boot. My foot, my boot, right? Vowels number 8 and 9. And then, finally, vowels 10, 11, and 12. Here they are. Vowel number 10, A, as in cut, cortar, cut. Vowel number 11 is as in work. Where do you work? I work here, I work there. And vowel number 12 is a funny-looking E sound. It's an upside-down E. The symbol is an upside-down E. And the sound is a cross, a very simple, very weak, very short vowel, a cross. By the way, vowel number 12 is the most common in the English language, a cross. So let's have 10, 11, and 12 again. Number 10, cut. Number 11, work. And number 12, across, the first vowel in the word across. It is difficult to pronounce vowel 12 on its own. We normally find it in contexts, and we find it in words longer than one syllable. Now we shall take a look at the 8 English diphthongs. We shall divide them into 3 groups according to the last element in each one of them. So we're not going to give them numbers. We are going to talk about the vowel in pay, the diphthong in pay, which is the first one there. The second one is the diphthong in high, high, and the third is the sound in joy. Let's say them separately now. The first one is A. The second one is I, and the third is oi. A, I, oi. The next two are the one in the word low, O, which Americans pronounce more O, and ow, as in now. So it's O and ow in the words low and now. And here are the last three. The first one there is ear, as in near, or here, near. The second one is air, as in care, air. And the last one there is ur, as in tour. Of these three, the most important are definitely the one in near and the one in care, because ur is sort of disappearing. Very few people pronounce words containing ur in English. Now, let's consider the contrasting consonant sounds in English. There are 24 English consonant phonemes in English, and as before, we shall organize them into groups. The first group are the 6 plosives. Let's have a look at the symbols. Let's say the words. The first one there is P, as in pen, pen. The second one is a B, as in bin, bin. The third one is T, as in 10, number 10. Number 4 is D, as in done, done. The next one is a K, K, as in king. And the last one is G, as in gone, gone. Let's say them again, one after the other. Pen, bin, 10, done, king, gone. The next is a small group, that of the affricates. The 2 English affricates. The symbols are those at the beginning in each line, ch, as in chin, and j, as in jam. Let's say them again. Chin, jam, chin, jam. Now come the fricatives. The fricatives are 9 in English. Let's begin with the first 4. Number 1 there is th, as in fun, fun. Number 2 is v, as in van, van. Number 3 is th, as in thin, thin. And number 4 is the, as in then. Let's say them again. Fun, van, thin, then. Notice the vowels also. Fun. Remember what vowel that is? Fun, fun. Vowel number 10. Van, van. Vowel number 4. Thin, thin. Vowel number 2. And finally, then, and that is vowel number 3. And now the next 5. Here we have sir, as in soon, exactly the same phoneme we have in Spanish, soon, soon, at least in Latin American Spanish, not in Spain Spanish, which is good. Z, as in zip, zip. Sh, as in shine, shine. Then je, as in beige, beige, the name of a color. And finally, h, as in hen, hen. Let's have them again. Soon, soon. Zip, zip. Shine, shine. Beige, beige. And hen, hen. The next group are the nasals. The nasals are only 3, and here they are. M, as in man, man. N, as in none,